Hi, I'm Priya. I just finished Takshashila Institution's graduate program in technology policy. I'm someone who has had no background in tech, and this was my first entry into the field of technology, thinking about the various issues that it poses and understanding what policy questions can be asked of it. I'm very glad that I did. Not just because of the way how the course was structured and what was taught to us, but because of the excellent peer group that I had while I did the course. The course itself, the structuring of the course itself was really nice in the sense that the first half gives us takes us through a broad understanding of public policy discipline per se, and then the second half of it takes students into further specializations, helping them look at closely at what their areas of interest are. But if there is one thing that I felt really gladdened by from taking this course, it would be of its consistent emphasis on having to ask ethical questions of technology and technology policy. And it's very rare that a public policy course focuses on that, because mostly it tends to be about economics and implementation and finance, public finance and public administration and politics maybe. But Takshila's technology policy was refreshing in that it asked us to locate ourselves within the ethical questions, within the metrics of the ethical questions that would govern any new technology that needs to come into the market and who it would affect. And for the world that we live in, given the strife and the conflict and the divisions and the widening inequality and the power of technology to either bridge it or widen it, these questions become of paramount importance. And for a course to be doing that and to tell us that there are no easy answers, but that it is important as technology policy a few professionals to ask that of any initiative that we would be making was really heartening. And I totally recommend this course because it neither does it push us to the point where it says that it's black and white and that you cannot allow for some technologies to take shape or form, but to really ask about what is a nuanced position that can be taken, and where should we draw the line, and what are the concerns that we should keep in mind, and what are our responsibilities as citizens and as policy intellectuals that's going out into the world to be making those choices.